This is North Gaza, or perhaps more accurately, this was North Gaza. After 22 months of intense bombardment from Israel and the war with militant group Hamas, it now resembles the bottom of a fire pit. According to the UN, 92% of homes in Gaza are either destroyed or damaged, and the destruction is so widespread it could take 21 years to rebuild if conflict stops. Ceasefire talks have collapsed, and now Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is reportedly favouring a complete military takeover of Gaza, starting with widening the current devastating offensive on the destroyed Strip. Tents stretch out towards the horizon as far as the eye can see. This is the central coastal region of Gaza, which is now housing nearly 500,000 people forced to flee their homes under Israel's bombardment and evacuation orders. The main encampment here is called Al-Mawasi, a so-called humanitarian zone, although it's been repeatedly hit by Israeli aircraft. Gaza was already one of the most densely populated areas on Earth. Today, the UN says Al-Mawasi is now home to more than 47,700 people per square kilometre.